O MP na Tura usaleng sangmau la pinpau ka jing skokya shapang ka jing shong siir hakalong kaman ha ki jaka ki than Khappud jogatan kamtam ha shilenter ki Khappud ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh ula Kyntu ya ka sarkar kan Pynkhlain ya ka border security force bat pendep no ya ka jingker sainar sha usang mau ula banjur badai ban bo hakmat ya ka kam ban Pynkhlain ya ka jing Pahara ya ki Khappud namar baka jilla ka don ya ka Khappud ka bajrong bha bat ka Bangladesh la thumu ban bo sa artli ki khtem jong ki shipai BSF Hajantia Hills bat Garo Hills ha ka baladap ban jetru ya ki jaka na ka banta ki te ki khtem
the strengthening of strengthening of not only the border fencing also but to strengthen the strength of BSF and all the other security forces who is mending the border area. Now, as I've told you, to strengthen the border area, they have already sanctioned 2 camps in our state already. Okay, so I think the strength is we are getting the strength from the central government. Central government is definitely helping to strengthen the border areas, and then moreover the BSF and all, they are working really tirelessly.